Sup guys, me Zareena Start Community. We're back in the video. Today we're playing Borderlands, obviously. It's slightly crooked, but 1 second, let me drink my juice. So today we're playing Borderlands. I said I was gonna play this on the channel because I got it for like a really good deal, whatever. Sure, I ended up broke, but it was worth it, man. So I'm recording this video. I'm home alone. I thought I heard something. That's when I heard thumping. I don't know if you can hear the game audio or whatever, but I have to record. So the audio might sound a bit different because I'm recording it through my phone. I have my headphones plugged in. I'm using the headphone mic, whatever. So it just makes it so much easier, and it's a lot less stress on my back to record it this way. Because, like, the table is, like, way shorter than the bin I'm sitting on right now. And, like, the mic was just resting on the table, and I had to, like, lean over like this or whatever to do or whatever. You can't see me, but, you know. And, so, I have my setup. I don't have the thing that the controls like would sit in or whatever, so I'm just doing it like this, and I can do it like this, which is still cool. And I have played the game a bit. I may be addicted, but this is like one of my favorite game series of all time. I've seen Tales from the Borderlands, which is kind of what I base my judgment off of. But I've never like played the rest of them, so I'm kind of want to play through the entire series. Okay then. Something bot, whatever you worker bots. I don't remember what you guys are called. I'm actually fairly good at this game. I played it like with the controls in the Switch, and played it like this or whatever. It's gonna be a bit interesting. So let's see how that goes. I'm not the best at shooting games. No, you can see my stats. Let me just click the screen so it like zooms in, like autofocus. I can turn the light off. That might help. 1 second. There, I turned my closet light off and then my LED lights off in my room. Because, like, my office is in my closet. My closet's not as big as that makes it sound. But it's, like... But it's, like, big enough where, you know, I can use it as an office and a place to store my cosplays. There we go. Alright. My aunt should be home soon, so... But I'm recording this video because, like, I have a doctor's appointment to test myself. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow to check my spine, to see if I have scoliosis, you know. She said she wasn't 100% sure just looking at it, but there's a chance I could have it. But it's, like, it's not anything to be worried about. It doesn't, like, really stand out. It just has, like, a tiny curve. And I have an interview in the afternoon, so, like, I wouldn't be able to record a video if I didn't do it now. But let's do it! Arid Badlands. I'm actually fairly good at this game. I haven't, like, played it like this. So this is gonna be interesting. I'm just gonna another sip of juice before the game starts. Also, thanks for the lunch. My lips are pretty sharp right now. Oh. I've done a few bosses or whatever. I have to go to the checkpoint. Which one? Oh, so that one I gotta do. I have to lean down though so I can actually see the achievement in the corner. Because I do not know where my glasses are. This is also going to make it actually a lot harder to aim. Ooh, this gun is pretty good. Okay, let's go. Oh, I'm actually doing pretty well so far. Boy, take it. I will deal with you guys any day. Sometimes I have to deal with the spider freaks. Hey, get back here. Don't make this Fortnite all over again. It was Fortnite all over again the first time I played you. Don't do this to me. like looking at the gameplay on my phone because I'm recording from my phone. But I was going over here so I could get myself a ride. Now let's see how I control the. Oh, I'm gonna be already rubbish. Like controlling it normally I got used to it, but like we're controlling it like this. Wait, let's stop and pay our respects. If you've seen Borderlands, you know what I'm talking about. Let's pay our respects. TK. I actually really liked him. He was actually pretty dope, but this happened to him. I didn't get to see it or anything. I wish I could have saved him. It would have been cool if like this was happening to him and you could save him, or at least hear his last final words. But here, TK. Oh, is that thing? Oh, that thing always gets refilled. It's actually pretty dope to actually check it out. Ooh, I want that. Ooh, I want you too. What level are you? 19, 16. I don't want to get any like really low level guns, because the enemies like to shoot me with low level guns. So like my go-to guns are the one I have in my hands right now and this one, because the fire rate on this one is beautiful. Actually, let me close your doors. I don't want anything. You can actually just walk out as it's closing. Okay. Oh God. Yeah, that's my Nana. My Nana's back. Oof. Yeah. Okay. Let's drive back. 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 Yep, I was waiting to hit something. 3, 2, 1. Ah, crud. Well, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Yeah, I'm not. It's like, God, it's a little tricky recording it like this, but bruh. I need to go this way? I gotta go this way? 1 second. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I would like to point out that it is what time? If you can see that, it is. You see? You see? It is 12:39 a.m. Today is the 7th of December. Okay, so let's just put that away. Let's just drive. Shields, don't want to get stuck. Don't want to get my car stuck. Do I have to get out? Don't tell me I have to. Bro, come on, don't make me do this. Hey. Where are you at? Dude, I mean, this gunfire is insane. It is extremely hard to aim like this, though, but I'm so much better at this game than Fortnite. On the Switch, anyways. PlayStation, I'm actually pretty good at Fortnite. Oh, okay. Dunzo. Transfusion. I already have transfusion. I'm good. And you're level 10. Okay. Collected that. Where's my car? I love the jumping in this game. I love the art style and how cartoony and how realistic but cartoony it looks. Almost there. We're gonna do one mission. We got this. Let's go. Let's go win. Sometimes I don't have to see. Oh wait, they're in the Haven place. Whoa. I'd like to point out that if you know Borderlands, I am the girl right now, so I am the siren. Because I also thought that her power was like really cool, but she's like the only female. And I really liked her like character design. I thought her ability was like really cool as well. Box of cigars. That's what I needed. The phone is kind of recording this a tad late, I just realized. Oh wait, it's actually doing pretty well. Oh wait, it's right there. So of all the guns I have in my box, these are all the. They would be kind of cool. Like once like all their buddies die and everything. Sometimes they like run away or whatever. Like when there's like less than half of them left, they'd like run away. And they'd like hunt them down and kill them, whatever, or just let them go. It was really your choice. I think that would have been cool. I know this game was like Game of the Year. It was a pretty cool game for when it came out. Your bullets do nothing. Why do you guys shoot such low-level guns? Oh, you. Siren. on before he kills me, You guys have such low-level guns. Okay, let's want to get as close to him as possible. There we go. 15 minutes. Wow. Once I get a job, I can properly edit my videos because I can get like editing stuff. Where's my car? Where'd I leave it? I think it's over there. Yeah, there it is. Woo! Just pause real quick and take another swig of my drink. Yeah. Alright. I only have one headphone anyways. It's like the headphone that's to the mic. So do I have to go back in there? I think I do. Yeah, the horn. I can heal with that, so... Oh, I have to go up there? How am I supposed to get up there? You move faster and I activate the thing where it heals me, so... How am I supposed to get up there? How do I get up there? I'll be back. Once I get there, I'll be back. So I feel stupid. The passageway was pretty simple. Also, I dropped this gun because, you know, the accuracy was terrible. And I picked up this, which was literally the only thing on that tray anyways. This gun right here was legit the only thing on that tray. I'm gonna replace that. Try it out, so it was the only thing on here. First time that's ever happened. But oh, there's also these things, and I got $18 from this. But here's where the passageway was. I feel so stupid. Just that my phone makes the screen look a lot brighter than it actually is. And doesn't like transparent the colors as well. But oh well. Let's turn in. I know this was kind of like a boring video. But don't worry, I'll make it up to you guys tomorrow by telling a nice juicy story time that will actually end up being a two-parter. Though and pretty much this is gonna be the saga of why I only have one good friend. And by one good friend, I mean only one good friend who's never caused drama or stabbed me in the back, and she's just so happens to be the only friend I have left, because she's never done those things. So and also gonna pretty much tell you why I don't go out of my why I prefer to be introverted, which I have been my entire life, and don't go out of my way to make friends. But yeah, stay tuned for that tomorrow. Because I'll make it up to you guys by telling you guys a nice, juicy, two-parter story time. This happens. It moved. It moved. It moved. It moved. How do you get out like that? Seriously, look at her. She for some reason goes sideways. Oh, these stupid rocks are in the way. Come on. You got this. I've used this before to nudge it out of place. I thought it worked for a second. Oh, well. I'm gonna have to walk the rest of the way. Gives me a chance to try my new gun. Did not mean to phase walk. But I did. Oh, that killed you. What does it do, though? I need to really see its info. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. Let me actually look at it. Bio chance to cause explosions. Oh, so that's why I killed him, so it explodes. High elemental effect chance. Huh. Okay. What was its level? It was level 15. Ah, okay. Let's just walk the rest of the way. Just deal with these bandits after I killed Bonehead. It was unnecessarily hard, by the way, even when I was on, like, normal. Oh, I thought that was an end. Oh, God. What's your profanity? Bitch. Yeah, I went there. If you get that reference, kudos to you. 10 points. Because it's such what's the word? Vague reference. It's Charlie Has No Hotel. You should pretty much know it from that. 10 points. Okay, I gotta change guns. This is... Get out of here. I will shoot a child. For reasons I don't want my channel to get taken down. That was a joke, YouTube, and it's a video game character. It's not real. But in video game terms, I will shoot a child if they're coming at me with a gun or a hatchet like they normally do. Okay, YouTube, it's a joke. Please do not check my channel. Thank you. Very much obliged. It's getting dark anyways in here. Let it go. Let it go. Also, where is this man? Like, where's Mr. Ned? I killed Zed, but he was there after I killed Zed. I'm pretty sure he didn't disappear when I killed Zed. Never really paid attention. Ba, 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 ba. Well, let me just check in with this. Done. I can't do cram yet. I don't have a high enough level to do cram. I'm pretty sure I don't. Yeah, use top it out. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'll have that one marked, and yeah. This is my character. She's a siren girl. Just collect this stuff. Anyways, I think that's it. I've sold a bunch of guns before, but get done, please. Like, I've sold guns everywhere, like. Yeah. Anyways. Shut it, man. I'm trying to do an outro. Yeah, I can't open this thing. I don't know where, like, the key or anything is. If you guys know how to open this thing, let me know in the comments. But anyways, if you haven't already, yeah, you can't even see that. Anyways, if you haven't already, please do subscribe. I can never speak. I can never do my outro. I do it too fast. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and to record part of High Planet Dare. Remember, be yourself, be unique, be a freak, and before go to food down to your wonderful queen, and great, let's guess. And don't forget it. You can follow me. You can join the channel Discord server in the description below and become a true freak. And follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and Wattpad, all in the description below. If I had to list my most followed account to like my least followed, it would be YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, Wattpad, in that order. And like I've been at 30 something followers. It keeps going from like right now I'm at 37. I've been in the 30 since I got Twitter. So like if you guys could like follow me and get me to 100 on Twitter, that'd be dope. And yeah, I'll see you guys next one. Zareena, signing out. Without further ado, Zareena, signing out. I also meant to say that if you followed me from TikTok and went to YouTube, the reason I haven't cosplayed Ruby in a long time is because I have to do some scythe maintenance, and I need super glue and red and black paint. And yeah. Shut up, okay? Okay, no, that's not what I wanted. So wait, to make sure I don't lose my progress, I do it this way. That was a burp. I give it a 5. But anyways, these are my games. These are the games I have on here. Octopath Traveler is like really fun. I might make a video on it. This game is boring. It's crap, and I regret paying for it. This game was awesome. Haven't played this yet because I don't have enough storage. This game's pretty good. I love this game. I love open world games, so I got YouTube here, which you should definitely hit that subscribe and like button. Hit the subscribe and like. And then I got this game that we were just playing. Yee. That's my brother's account. Bro. His name's Josiah, but like I call him Bro. This is his Switch, by the way. I'm getting the PS5, but this is his Switch. No, that's my page. That's Zemester, because I have 2 separate accounts for this right here, which we're playing more of soon. We got this. This is my nephew, and this is my brother's other page for his master mode account. But anyways, yeah, that was all I wanted to say. Intro still applies. If you made it this far, you're a true freak. Yeah, I'll see you guys later. Zareena, signing out. For real this time, I swear. that was a terrible laugh, I know, but yeah, I'm going now. I swear. The novel's coming along great. I'm sorry. This is running on way too long. Chapter 3 of the novel will be out shortly. I'm at almost at 2,000 words. 2,000 words. I want to hopefully try to make it 3,000 this time, because usually they're about 2,000. I want to make this one a little longer. And yeah, bye. And I'm working on hopefully turning into an animation. Maybe that'll come soon. Well, we'll never know. It depends if I get this job. Okay, bye. I'm sorry for wasting your time.